Hello everyone, today I will show you how to link threads to Instagram. And here's how it is done. Start by opening the App Store or Google Play Store on your device. Tap the search icon in the bottom right corner and search for Threads. Select the app with the black and white logo at the top of the search results. Then download and install both the Threads and Instagram apps. Once the apps are installed, tap Open to launch Threads. If you already have Threads installed, just open the app. Here's the good news. Threads automatically links to your Instagram account, so there are no extra steps required. When you open Threads for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in with your Instagram account. Simply tap your Instagram account to proceed. You won't need to change your username or any other details. Threads will sync your Instagram information automatically, linking your Threads account to your Instagram profile. And that is everything you need to know about how to link Threads to Instagram. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.